Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aaron with Aaron Fixes Stuff. I'm in the middle of a project and I took a break to review and do an unboxing of this Milwaukee dry and wet vac. The model number is 0880-20. It's a tool only, it does not come with a battery, it's part of the M18 platform. I picked it up at Home Depot the other day. I'm going to open it and see how it works. I'm excited. So my old shop vac was a corded one, and I wanted to try to get one that's battery operated, and everything I own is Milwaukee, so I thought why not get this one too. They're $119 on Home Depot, at Home Depot, and let's see what we got. If I can get it out of the box. So everything is stored in the container. Has a 2-gallon capacity. And let's see what we get. So it has a 6-foot extension hose, a crevice tool. What else does it have? A utility nozzle and the filter, which is in here somewhere. Over here. Filter comes right off. And like I said, a 2-gallon container. There's a clip at the back, clip at the front, and then these clips give you access to all the tools and all the parts. The battery goes in here. What I like about it is that the battery is concealed. It's not going to be out there, it won't fall or anything. So with a 9-amp-hour battery, they say you get 30 plus minutes of usage. Mine is not full, it's only halfway, but still. What else? It can suck up 45 CFM, so 45 cubic feet per minute. I think I covered everything. Something about this hose, by the way, is if you want to turn it into a blower, you can just attach it over here and then twist to lock, and then as opposed to sucking, this would blow. So just a little nifty thing. Alright, we have the battery connected, and let's vacuum some stuff. Up pretty quickly is what I noticed, but alright, so my first impressions as far as the noise level, it is pretty tolerable. I'm not sure how many decibels it is, but it's not too loud at all. I do wish it had some sort of extension, or not extension hose, but some sort of wand you can use so that you can stand up. I do have, I think it's the 0882-20, which is the smaller one, and that one does come with a wand that you can use. Other than that, I did notice that this clogged up pretty quickly on me using all that sawdust. I'm not sure if it's because of the shape, but once I took it off, it did have good suction. Overall, I am happy with it. It only weighs 9 pounds. It's pretty light, pretty compact. And like I said, everything, once you're done with it, everything tucks right back in and conceals pretty easily, which I like a lot. Just like that, I think that was, yes. You're good to go. All right, I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for your time. If you have any questions, comment below. Any suggestions, comment below. I'd appreciate if you give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. I do some how-to videos, some woodworking things, as well as tool reviews. Thank you for your time and have a good day.